What's good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. And today, as you can see, we got a doghouse. I had to put this up pretty quickly because someone is pregnant, so I had to also turn it into a whelping box as well. So I just converted the doghouse in a whelping box. So y'all stay tuned, enjoy the video, like the video, comment on the video, and I'll see y'all in the comments. Okay, just chill out. Find your spot. Find your spot. Not right in between the legs though. Yeah, because I'm gonna be right here, okay? This was what I need. All right, you work around this. I didn't mean leave me. Have it. Guess she didn't want to chill with me. Right, since she is pregnant, I gotta build her a doghouse / whelping box. So that's why I brought this outside to figure it out. Because the original plan was to build some gutters. I got all the materials for the gutters, and I just looked at heaven, and she's due any day. She's pregnant by the stray dog that tore my yard up. That is a monkey. What is it? I don't fucking know, but it's something I didn't plan for. Usually I would plan for her to be pregnant, but I had planned for her to, she's pretty much like retired, but not really. But anyways, let me figure this out and I'll get back to y'all. And I can't forget the pig rails. And pig rails, if you don't know, it's gonna be it's tough for me to explain, but it's gonna be a 2x4 that's going around the bottom edges of this frame right here. And it's gonna be just pretty much so when she lay on her side, the puppies don't get smushed up under. They got a spot for her, the puppies, to wiggle their way up under. So I'm gonna brainstorm for a second. All right, so I gotta make a quick change. Came to the conclusion that I'm gonna use my pallets. I already got that one ready, so about to do another one like this. Put them together and go from there. I'm gonna freestyle instead of just having a plan, because it's obviously the plan is going to continue to change. So let's get this thing done. That's what's gonna happen. All right, so the nails are out. So is my back. But yeah, if anybody ever did this, I guarantee you they know exactly. It ain't no joke. My back. It really tear your back out. But anyways, it's free, yeah, but you gonna work for it if you're gonna take them apart. I'll tell you that for sure. On to the next step. Oh, let's go. Now I'm thinking, I have no idea where I'm gonna put this at either. But I do plan on putting it on top of bricks. I don't really know if that matters about anything, but all right, so next I'm gonna build a frame. I'm gonna build my doghouse frame on top of this. So I'm gonna clean my area up and then we will get into the next step. Got an idea of where I want to put this at, so I'm about to drag that over there. So let's get you guys set up. So we're gonna go with this area right here. I'm gonna build it up off the ground a little bit with some more cinder blocks, but I just got this idea because it's level. It takes a lot of the thinking out. So the focus isn't leveling this up. It's more so building a box here to so she can start to make her little area, a little nesting box, a little nesting area. All right, I'm back. Had to go put a hoodie on. It's North Carolina, so if you didn't know, now you know. We got bipolar weather. Yeah, where you going, buddy? Yeah, take your ass on back over there. Thought you had one, didn't you? Shit, trying to build having this little dog, bro. Hit my first 1K.
Hey.
Yeah.
Wait, are you talking about a video?
Yeah, the video. No, not subscribe. Hell no. Yeah, I got a pretty way for that. I got like 300 something. Yeah, it is. Everybody be in the comments like Stan sent me. I'm coming from Stan channel. Yeah, I was about to put my damn gutters up, but then I looked at heaven, bro. She do any fucking day.
And you know she was pregnant today. Mario.
Dude, Stan called me and was like, yeah, pregnant. Yeah, that damn stray dog got her.
You know what kind of dog it was?
He brown. Oh, I know. When I went and got the cinder blocks, I seen that these were just like $2, so why not, you know? Back wall is officially up. That will go here. Looky there. Perfect. Evan gonna be sleeping cozy in no time. See, this one is not wooded up. So I'm gonna just put it here and glue into it. There's nothing in the rule book that says you can't do this. Alright, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna make a mistake. And I feel it's gonna come with the roof, but we will attack that when we get there. I gotta figure out how much we need to go. We'll have to head on to this side, throw our roof on, and we will be finished. All right, so let me let my brain figure this out for a second, and I will be right back. What's up, Nacey? Hey. What's up? What's up? Y'all at a, what time is it? Y'all doing out of school? Oh no, I'm calling some teachers. Hold on. I'm calling some teachers. I'm just playing. You gotta go to the dentist. No cavities.
He got cavities.
What?
What if you taught people broken?
Cavities already? No more candy for you, love.
Stop on the candy, dude.
No more candy.
Yeah.
Yeah, no more candy.
Don't be looking in my mouth.
Back up.
I'm feeling tired.
Okay.
Mama, I'm feeling tired.
You feeling tired?
Are you tired? Okay.
You touched you already? Let's see.
He did it with a straight face, too.
Yep, sure can. Big boy. Man, touched you already? Cousin.
And Papa.
Cousin.
Cousin, how old are you? Yeah, what happened?
I mean, Kaden.
Oh,
5,
2, 5, and
5.
7.
7. 2, 5, 7. Step of steps.
And Papa.
Step of steps.
And 0.
And 0.
Papa.
6
Papa.
months. When I'm confused and can't figure it out, if I'm thinking, I think too much. So it's 2 things I usually do. I usually walk away, which I done walked away and went to Lowe's. But I usually just start by just doing anything. Just start. So I'm about to put these boards back up here, and that's me starting. So I had some concerns as to why Heaven don't stay in the house. She used to, but with her being outside just as much as I am, if any of you know about having dogs, you know dogs being outside all day come with a smell. So don't mean I don't love my dog. It's just a smell that I'm not about to put up with in my house. She's well taken care of outside. My aunt stole food out for her, so she got places to roam, so she is well taken care of. I know the last few videos of her being outside isn't a good example of what she used to be in, but here's where she used to stay before I moved away. So we both done been through some transition, so might not be the answer you was looking for, but it's the answer you got. Since we got a rain delay, so until we get the rain delay or until the rain goes away, this is what I'm stuck with. No, you welcome. Good girl. Yeah, you did good. That's what you said. We got caulk for the edges. This stuff is from the Dollar Tree, so don't expect much. I'm just gonna put it down just to make it easier and sanitary.
made it. Still here to tell about it.
With all 10 fingers and toes. Since we had to cut these out to make them fit in here, it's just not as stable. So what I'm about to do is but there you have it. Doghouse / Welping box.
So you telling me you done made it this far in the video and ain't gave me a like, comment, or nothing? That's crazy. But anyways, I appreciate y'all as always. Stay tuned for the next video because the puppies have been delivered. So stay tuned. I'll see y'all in the comments.